Welcome to an ordinary Sunday. I did all my errands yesterday, so today I really didn't have to go anywhere. I started off the day by tuning into our online church service. I have to admit, I haven't logged on to the online services as much as I should have. This coronavirus thing has just shaken up everybody's world, and I think it's made me more fearful. I'm really struggling with that right now. So I'm glad I tuned in this week. The sermon and message was good, and it helps me realize that God's here waiting for us to come to Him. And after church, I decided I was going to make some Christmas cookies. So I went through my recipe box. I've had a lot of these recipes for years and years. I love to make cookies. I particularly loved to make cookies when my kids were home. Now they're married and have families of their own, and they don't live around the corner, so I usually do see them, but this year we won't be gathering because of COVID. That recipe box I found it at a garage sale, and then I did tried to decorate it. So a lot of the things that I have in my house have been around for a long time, and they mean something. So I went through my recipe box, and I really decided that I was going to make one of my mom's recipes, and thumbprints with raspberry jam, of course. And also this time I decided I was going to make one batch of cookies instead of baking and then you're exhausted. And this time I'm going to make one batch of cookies today and maybe another batch of cookies another day. Trying to learn. I don't know what I always thought the hurry was. I used to have chickens back in the day, and so now I know what free range means and cage-free means, and free range is really a more humane way to keep a little chicken. I really enjoyed the chickens. I had them for a couple of years, spent a lot of time with them, and they were very friendly and just really sweet. One breed, the Buff Orpingtons, they were much more tame, and they would sit on my lap. Really had a good time with them until the predators found them, and then things took a turn. But that's why I get the the free range eggs, because there's nothing happier than a chicken tooling around and scratching for bugs. So I want to support that.
ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
It was nice that I made just one batch of cookies because that left time at the end of the day to go into the art room for a few minutes. I have a whole stack of pencil drawings that I haven't finished, and I really need to tackle them. So here's just a little review. I've got a couple of landscapes. I've got this big horse drawing that I'm struggling with, and I have one that there it is. That is almost done, but there's one section there, the judge's hand, it's pointing at the person who's showing the horse. Oh brother, I had a hard time with that, so it's unfinished. So now I'm going to tackle those, and I won't be finishing them in this video, but in videos to come I'll show you how they pan out.